Welcome back to the Fix Your Apps. In this video, I will show you how to send picture with text on WhatsApp chat. Let's get started. Step 1, open WhatsApp on your Android phone. To get started, unlock your phone and find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on it to open the app. Step 2, select the chat where you want to send the picture with text. Once WhatsApp is open, scroll through your chats or use the search bar at the top to find the contact or group where you want to send the image. Tap on the chat to open it. Step 3. Tap on the paperclip icon to the right of the text input field. At the bottom of the chat screen, you will see a text box where you normally type messages. To the right of this box, there is a small paperclip icon. Tap on it to open the attachment options. Step 4. Select Gallery from the menu that appears. After tapping the paperclip icon, a menu will pop up with several options, such as Camera, Documents, and Gallery. Tap on Gallery to access the photos stored on your phone. Step 5. Browse your photos and select the image you want to send. Your phone's gallery will open, showing your recent pictures and albums. Scroll through your images and tap on the one you want to send. This will bring up a preview of the selected image. Step 6. Type your message in the text box if needed. Below the image preview, you will see a text box where you can add a caption. If you want to include a message with your picture, simply tap on the box and type your text. Step 7. Tap the Send button to send the picture with the text. Once you're satisfied with your image and message, tap the green Send button, usually shaped like a paper airplane, to send it instantly to your selected chat. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.